What if the greatest love is often the quietest? May 10th is Mother's Day, celebrated to honour the women who shape our lives in countless unseen ways. The early mornings, the sleepless nights, the worries never spoken aloud, the little things they notice, long before anyone else does, the way they give, without asking for anything back. And even as years pass, that love never really changes. Sometimes the strongest love is the kind that asks for no attention. Because before we understood love, they were already showing it. Tag your mother or someone who's loved you like one. And don't forget to follow festivals every day, because every day is a festival somewhere.